أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
فلولا كان من القرون من قبلكم أولو بقية ينهون عن الفساد في الأرض إلا قليلا ممن أنجينا منهم واتبع الذين ظلموا ما أترفوا فيه وكانوا مجرمين.
If only there were, among the generations before you, people with wisdom, who spoke against corruption on earth, except for the few whom we saved. But the wrongdoers pursued the luxuries they were indulged in, and thus became guilty.
وَمَا كَانَ رَبُّكَ لِيُهْلِكَ الْقُرَى بِظُلْمٍ وَأَهْلُهَا مُصْلِحُونَ.
Your Lord would never destroy the towns wrongfully, while their inhabitants are righteous.
وَلَوْ شَاءَ رَبُّكَ لَجَعَلَ النَّاسَ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً وَلَا يَزَالُونَ مُخْتَلِفِينَ.
Had your Lord willed, he could have made humanity one community, but they continue to differ.
إِلَّا مَنْ رَحِمَ رَبُّكَ وَلِذَلِكَ خَلَقَهُمْ وَتَمَّتْ كَلِمَةُ رَبِّكَ لَأَمْلَأَنَّ جَهَنَّمَ مِنَ الْجِنَّةِ وَالنَّاسِ أَجْمَعِينَ.
Except those on whom your Lord has mercy, for that reason he created them. The word of your Lord is final, I will fill hell with jinn and humans, altogether.